I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. But that's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Oh, I find it so hard being addicted to your love.
This is how the mask will look. Alright, so you have your two fabrics that you want to use because it's going to be a two-sided mask. You're going to get a surgical mask or a medical mask or whatever they call these things, and you're going to line your mask up with your closed end of your cloth. See? Put the round end of your mask against the closed seal of your cloth, and you're going to trace it. I don't know if you can see the pen markings, but you should see the trace. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna trace it out, but you're not gonna cut this sealed in because that is where the mask closes. Alright, so once you are finished cutting, you should have two slabs, I don't know, two pieces. Alright, so you're gonna put that aside, retrace it, and do the same steps as you did for your first color. Alright, so you have two more pieces. This will be your front side. You're gonna take both of them at the same time and flip it inside out. Okay, so now you can mark it so that you can remember which side was the inside versus what side was the outside. And then you're gonna go ahead, take your needle and your thread, and you're gonna sew all of this shut. Okay, don't touch the sides at all, don't touch this back part. All right, so your thread is done. When you open it up, this is what you should see. All right, so now that you've sewn your two fabrics, you're gonna open them up. This will be the front side, this will be your back side. So you're gonna take your two front sides and you're gonna place them on top of each other like this. I hear somebody saying grandpa. Alright, so the easy way that I do it is I fold them the normal way with the front side out. I place them side by side, and then I just take one end of my blue color and I wrap it around my red color. It should look like this because this is your inside, your back side. Okay, so that's how it looks. Doesn't matter which way you start on, but you're gonna open it up, and now you're gonna sew the long way, not the short way. Okay, see, this is shorter, not that end, your long end. So you're gonna sew it straight across. All right, so boom, done, done. Now I'm gonna do the other side, the other side, the other side. Alright, so your middle is sewn on both sides, your ends are sewn. So what you're gonna do now is you're going to open it up. You should have two reds and two blues, and you're gonna gently tuck it through the hole. Okay, so now that you've tucked it through the hole, you should see both of your sides. And then you can do a hidden sew and tuck this in and fold it that way. And sew it that way. You'll hide that in. Or while it's still on the opposite side, untuck it and you can sew it closed that way. Okay? Did that make sense? I hope so. You can add a filter in. However, if you add the filter in, you would need to leave one of these sides unsewn. That way you can change the filter out, because the filter cannot go inside of the washer machine. So you have your filter. It's gonna be a little big, so you're gonna need to, I folded it because it's usually open like this. You're gonna need to fold the ends, that way it'll fit. You want to shift it so that it sits right in there. Whatever's showing, you can take your scissor and cut it. And boom, there you go. Now it's in there. So let me show you what I also do. I pull the straps off of here, and I sew them to my mask. Now I heard that there is a such thing as reusable filters, and so if you find that and you want to use that, have fun. If it's washable, even better. But I have not found that. So again, you can go ahead and you could sew one side down, or you can keep both sides open. That way it's easy to pull your coffee filter through. Or you can be like me and chance your luck at doing a filler. You can use batting filler or whatever other filler you find that they use in like pillows or teddy bears. My suggestion would be to do a washable filler, and if you have allergies, I would also get a hypoallergenic filler. And then you are all set. So I'm just gonna sew on the scraps to the other side, and I'm gonna wait for Joe's stepdad to get home so I can ask him if he wants the removable filter or if he wants the filler, because I do have filler here upstairs. Depending on how he wants his mask to be is how I will finish it off. Alright, so here you have it. My lines aren't as straight because I did it by hand. It should cover your nose, cover your mouth, and it should be breathable. I can breathe in here, I can talk in here, and yours will look just as good, if not better, because you're gonna take your time. You might be a sewer, you may have a sewing machine, so it'll work out perfect for you. But I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. Hold on, let me flip it around. Hold on. Okay, it's looking good. Okay. Nah, I love you. Peace.